Aquaponics update number 7. Alright. Take a look back at how this was. I redid this. Seems to be doing fine. I replanted the chocolate mint here. It had some roots on it. Looked like it was going down, so I put it down a little bit farther so it could pick up a little bit more water. The cabbage plants seem to be doing very well. The kale has came through the transition very well. It's really picking up fine. So has a couple of these mini broccoli plants. That one there is sprouting some new leaves. That one there looks like it's doing about the same thing, but it's went to flower maybe up there, I'm not sure. That one there is looking really good. Those are fine. I'm not seeing anything coming up out of the cucumbers yet, so we're going to have to replant those. On the second tray, the cabbage leaves are doing fine. They're coming back through. The green onions are just going to town, so to speak. They're going all over. The celery back there is doing just fine. It's coming around. I see we're going to have to get some more ladybugs out here. I see some aphids on it. This strawberry plant's doing fine. This one came up with a nice little bud on it. It came back out, so they're doing fine. Lettuce tray is doing really good. Really good. The Napa cabbage back there is doing real fine. The Brussels sprouts are doing good. Even those little seeds that I planted down there are just coming up nice throughout there. We're going to have a lot of lettuce in through here. A lot of different varieties coming up. On the other side, the bell peppers. Peppers aren't doing too well, but they're hanging in there. We'll see how they do. The spinach here went to seed, so that's another branch off of it. This one hasn't yet. It looks good. So I think I'll probably be keeping that one and getting rid of the other ones that went to seed. The tomato plant, it just went wild. It has blossoms everywhere on it and buds, and it has just went wild. I'm just waiting for all those tomatoes to start popping out. Let's see, here we go. And then a little surprise down here at the bottom, this strawberry plant has come alive and a blossom popped out. Big old blossom popped out of that strawberry plant down there, which I wasn't expecting. These look like they're coming around a lot better. Bean plants are doing fine. I've been nibbling off of them, all of them. It's been doing really fine. There's a big one right there. That looks like that's going to get eaten here shortly, and another one up there. So they're doing fine. The tomato barrel at the end is doing fine. It's got some blossoms on it coming around it. That's an heirloom. This other heirloom looks like it's doing real well. It's got more blossoms on it this time. The little sprout down there is holding its own. Brenda just planted those bell peppers in there, so we'll see how those go. She's got plants going just crazy over here on her side, especially in this tray. Just all over the place. Look at the blossoms on that bean plant. Just everywhere. And on the other one over there, just going. And there's a cabbage plant she planted. And these that she planted, these cuttings off my tomato plant. This one here is doing really good. There's another bean plant that's just got loads of blossoms on it. Loads of blossoms. And her little flower garden down here is beginning to come back. The fish are doing well. We're going to see if we can't put a light or something down there. She has got some monstrous fish down through there. That one you see right down there, that's a channel cat. And then that one over there is a tilapia. You got a couple other big tilapias in here. They're just floating around. And her plants are really beginning to respond really well. She's really happy with all her various plants in here. They're doing really fine. You got all sorts of purple cabbage coming up. You might think we like cabbage, which we do. And her tomato plant, I still don't know what she's going to do with this monster. It is just out of control everywhere. Everywhere. So, hopefully it starts producing here. The celery's doing fine. Parsley's looking good. The broccoli coming along. That onion plant, those onion plants, that one over there looks like it's destined for a salad here shortly. Alright. I'll leave you with a shot of Rinda's tomato plant.